3 morning drinks that melt belly fat while you sleep. Doctors don't want you to know this. Stop scrolling right now. What if I told you that 3 simple drinks could transform your body in just 14 days? No expensive supplements, no crazy workouts, no starvation diets. Just 3 drinks that activate your body's hidden fat-burning switch while targeting the one reason you can't lose weight. Here's the shocking truth doctors won't tell you: your liver is silently sabotaging your weight loss. Right now, it's probably 3 times bigger than it should be, stuffed with toxic fat that's making you feel bloated, tired, and stuck. But I'm about to show you how to flip the script. The problem that's destroying your metabolism is that your liver processes 250 gallons of blood every single day. Think about that for a second. That's like filtering an entire bathtub of blood daily. That stubborn belly bulge that won't budge. But here's what's terrifying: when your liver gets overloaded with toxins and fat, it becomes a fat storage factory instead of a fat-burning furnace. Warning signs: your liver is crying for help. Feeling swollen and puffy, especially your face. Energy crashes that hit you like a truck. Weird aches under your ribs. Skin problems that makeup can't hide. The scary part? When you finally start losing weight, your body dumps 280% more toxins into your bloodstream. If your liver can't handle it, you'll gain it all back plus more. That's why 95% of diets fail. Drink 1, the Liver Flush Elixir. Pure, filtered water with fresh lemon juice. Sounds too simple? Here's why it's revolutionary. Your body is literally drowning in toxins right now. Tap water, plastic bottles, the air you breathe, it's all poisoning your liver. But when you drink half your body weight in ounces of clean, filtered water daily, something magical happens. The lemon is the secret weapon. It floods your system with liver-protecting antioxidants. Forces your liver to produce fat-melting bile. Balances your pH to prevent fat storage. Pro tip: drink it ice cold. Dissolves dangerous calcification buildup. Your body burns up to 30% more calories just heating the water to body temperature. That's free fat burning while you hydrate. Drink 2, the Thermogenic Fat Incinerator. Organic coffee, but drink it the right way. This isn't your basic morning coffee, this is liquid fat loss in a cup. But here's what 99% of people get wrong: they are drinking pesticide-loaded coffee that is actually making them fatter. The game-changer ingredient: chlorogenic acid. This compound literally flips your genetic fat-burning switch. Studies show people drinking 4 cups of clean coffee daily have significantly less body fat than non-coffee drinkers. But here's the kicker: in a triple-blind study, the gold standard, athletes who drank coffee before workouts increased their maximal fat oxidation translation. They became fat-burning machines, morning or afternoon. The secret upgrade: add grass-fed butter and coconut oil. Blend it up. This creates a creamy, satisfying fat coffee that keeps you in fat-burning mode for hours, while most people are storing breakfast as belly fat. Drink 3, the Brown Fat Activator. Green tea extract, the nature's fat burner. Here's something mind-blowing: you have 2 types of fat in your body. White fat, the jiggly stuff you hate, and brown fat, the metabolic superhero that burns calories 24/7. Green tea contains powerful compounds called catechins that literally wake up your dormant brown fat cells. These activated cells then hunt down and destroy white fat, especially the dangerous fat choking your organs. The extract is 10x more powerful than regular tea bags. While others are sipping weak tea, you're getting a concentrated dose of fat-melting compounds. Warning: don't add dairy. It blocks the absorption of the active ingredients. A tiny bit of raw honey is okay if you need sweetness. The 14-day challenge results. When you combine these 3 drinks with cutting out processed junk, I'm talking about you, drive-through dinner, something incredible happens. Up to 43% liver fat reduction in just 2 weeks. Your liver shrinks back to normal size. Your energy skyrockets. That bloated feeling disappears. And the fat starts melting off places it's been stuck for years. Your action plan starting tomorrow. Morning routine, 6 to 20 ounces ice-cold lemon water upon waking. Wait 30 minutes, then drink your upgraded fat coffee. Mid-morning, green tea extract or high-quality green tea. The multiplication effect, each drink amplifies the others. The lemon preps your liver, the coffee ignites fat burning, and the green tea keeps the fire burning all day. The bottom line. Your liver is either your greatest fat-burning ally or your worst enemy. These 3 drinks cost less than a single meal at a restaurant, but they could be worth thousands in avoided medical bills and years of your life back. Stop making excuses. Start tomorrow. Your future self will thank you when you're fitting into clothes you thought you'd never wear again. Ready to take it to the next level? Hit that subscribe button because next week I'm revealing the exact meal plan that amplifies these drinks of facts by 300%. Plus, the 7-day liver reset protocol that's been banned from being taught in medical schools. Your transformation starts with your next sip. Make it count.